we're going to have differences of opinions
Mhm.
our whole entire lives. So it takes people to learn to communicate with each other and also just to understand that nobody has the same opinion as you. And for some reason, like I know people that are programmed that when they hear someone's opinion, the first thing that they do is their program is to tell them their opinion, even though no one asked, and then to spend the next like 10 or 15, 20 minutes of their life trying to change the person's opinion. It's like it's an automatic program. And I have that happen a lot when I do some of my trainings and my keynotes. So opinions are opinions, but if I love the phrase, let's agree to disagree. Because I mean, if you can learn how to just say that, you're going to save yourself so much free time. I wouldn't be too concerned about, other people's opinions, but then there's people that have been trained to care about judgment and I don't want to be judged. And guess what? It stinks that you're judged all the time, everywhere, by every single person that knows you. And even when you're not around them, there's people that are judging you in your life. So just do whatever in my opinion, you need to do to be a happy, joyous person, especially if it has to do with dealing with a bullying situation.